Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, or if you are new to the channel then welcome. Today's video is a short video particularly looking at the room that we stayed at Pop Century Resort. Today's video is just a room tour. We have been to Orlando a couple of times now, but this was the first time that we've ever stayed on site and we had an absolutely fantastic time. So I know that from experience with ourselves that when we are looking at hotels to stay at, we do particularly like to look at room tours. So I really do hope you find this video useful whilst you're looking to pick your hotel. So as we said, we stayed at Pop Century Resort. We did a package deal and we booked it through TUI. We did put a request through TUI and just ask if we could have a high floor lake view room. We didn't pay extra for a preferred room. We just put a request through and they kindly gave us that request, which you'll see shortly. The walk from our hotel room to the Skyliner was literally a couple of minutes, 2 minutes if that. It was so convenient. So it's really useful to actually just ask and see if you can get that room, and we didn't have to pay for a preferred room. We have got more videos on our channel if you'd like to check them out, which go into a little bit more detail about our holiday, but also it'll have some more experience about the food court, the pools. So that is in the main vlog series. But this video here is just a shorter video to go through the room and hopefully give you guys a little bit of a better understanding of the room and whether or not that room would work for you and your family for your trip. If you do find this video useful, then please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of our future videos. And thank you so much for watching. Where are we? Oh, we're here.
We're here.
And look at view. You wanted a late view.
I know it's the Skyliner.
So we're in 3413. Oh.
And Nickel, stay there. Go on, Chris, you go in. Nickel hasn't got a bed, so we've got a bit of a problem.
Oh, look
Wow,
look.
Burt family.
Oh. It's not got our full name on. It's all right. Ooh. Wow, look at the size of bed. It doesn't do it justice. What, all three of us?
Yeah, there is. So look at that chair.
Nikhil panicking.
Like, do you understand that that's sharing a room with you, not a bed? So I think, I've never done it, I think we just do this.
Is it easy?
Yeah, it's like doing it itself, really. I don't want to just let it go like this.
Is that it?
No, it's not it. I told Nickel to move his chair and I didn't move mine.
Alright.
My chest will stop.
Right, how not to do it, just watch this video.
Yeah, move the chair.
No shoes on.
Is it comfy, Nickel?
Well, it's better than my bed.
Put some lights on. I'll walk you around properly now. So we've just come in, hang on. Alexa, pause. Gareth just said Alexa. Well, I can't say it because it'll play. Gareth asked her to play music and she's playing Disney songs, isn't she? So this is the front door. Obviously you've just seen us come in. This is our window area which we're going to jazz up for Halloween.
Just show you so you can see what we can see, which I think is not a bad view.
Considering it's not a preferred room that we paid for.
We're at the other end of number 3.
Yeah.
Block 3. We're at the very far end, but I did actually ask for a lake view and a high floor, and we've got a lake view and a high floor. So.
But look at that, we can see all the
You can't ask for any
Skyliners.
more, can you? Do you know what I mean?
So when you come in here, which obviously we've just been in now, you've got Gareth just asked her, because I can't say her name because she'll listen to me. He just asked her to play music and she was playing all Disney songs, so that were cute. Then you've got, obviously this is the first bed which we've just pulled down. Under there was the dining area with 2 chairs.
They look quite high, them beds, for the suitcases.
Yeah, they do look high.
Not this one, because this is got the table.
We've got table. I'll come round and show you that
I
one.
think we'll get 3 cases though.
Then obviously here you've got it's a coolant rather than a fridge. We've just put a salad in there from what we got. You've got a drawer here that's not really deep. And then you've got your ice bucket up here, just some cups. And then you've got your coffee machine and the coffee's here. And different teas, creamer. So that's there. We've been and got our mugs, which you saw. Oh, they do recycling, Gareth. I don't know what you'd recycle. It's not coloured bins like... Well, it won't be coloured bins like home. Yeah. And then you've got here a full unit. Ooh.
Plenty of storage.
So in here you've got a safe, a Bible, and then you've got 2 drawers there. Well, a shelf, sorry.
2 shelves, yeah.
And then you've got
3.
I'd say really deep drawers.
I wouldn't say really deep, but I think you get quite a lot in them.
Yeah.
And then you've got obviously that.
Nikhil?
You've got that bedside table.
Oh yeah, the bedside table there. It's just like it's not a cupboard. It's just a.
Just
You
like
can put
open,
stuff
aren't they?
in there. The phone's there.
And
You've got USBs.
Yeah.
Are these the USBs and USB-C?
No, they're just
USBs.
Normal, and altogether there is 2, 4, 6, 8.
Because you've got some here as well. There and
8,
there.
9, 10.
10 USBs.
10, yeah, there's not on that. So 10 you've got. Because you've got 2, 4,
Yeah.
6, 8, and then where the
Because you've even got some on this side of the bed. There, and another little storage area. But these beds are really, I think they're quite, what would you say? They are high.
No, I think they're not. It's not as big as we've stayed in Disney. I think it's just a double bed.
Underneath, Gareth was saying that you could fit your suitcases under, so we'll try and, we've got 3, haven't we, so we'll try and fit them in.
Yeah, and we'll do the full size one. Just want to see what this is.
So that's the door for the bathroom. Oh, sorry, just going back here behind you, because I'm going to warn you because it's not out your head. You've got coat hangers there. And then where Gareth is now is the bathroom. In there.
Something that stopped. So it had a soft close instead of it banging one.
So as you come in, you've got wardrobe here, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hangers, which is fairly decent really, isn't it?
Yeah. And then you've got more storage at the bottom.
Some more shelf area. You've got an ironing board.
Yeah.
There's another hook there.
No, it's weird, this hook. I've never seen one
sorry.
like this, watch. I thought I broke it, I'll be truthful.
Oh, messing.
Yeah. Look.
Oh, is it another rail?
Yeah, but then you tighten it so it's...
A small rail?
Yeah, well, I don't know what it's for, but yeah. I don't know, that's it. But
Maybe it's just to extend the... You can put a few clothes on it.
And then...
Shelf up there. What's in there? Oh, iron and hairdryer. And then you've got some face towels and a spare toilet roll. Let's shut them. We've got quite a lot of space on the unit. There is just one sink.
Yeah, I think you expect that with a double room. It's not like...
It's not like... Is it the deluxes that have like 2 sinks and things like that?
Yeah, I think when you start upgrading and stuff.
You've got it is a large mirror, isn't
massive.
it?
And then...
Oh, it lights up. Oh, you've got your Disney soap there. And then you've still got, again, some more storage under the sink. And then if we spin round here, you can... Sorry, I just wanted... Oh, Gareth, have you seen this? Ah! Just walked into the door thing behind me. You've got a full length mirror.
Oh, I didn't see this. No, I didn't know.
So you can close off the toilet and shower.
But she's a bit, which you'd need really. I didn't even think about a door.
Well, especially if you're
And
sharing.
this is quite privacy glass as well, so obviously if you're a close fan, well we are close, aren't we? We don't.
But you've got.
But if you were sharing.
Your toilet here. And then you've got your towels. And then this bit is your shower. And then as Gareth was saying.
It's a nice shower as well.
You've got your shampoo, body wash, conditioner. It is a bath in here.
It's a low bath though, isn't it?
It is a low bath. I wonder if it's a family, I don't know.
Access bath. No.
And then 2 shower heads.
There.
What are you doing now? Are you happy with the room?
Yeah.
Some more towels are here, towel rail.
Bed.
You thought what?
I wasn't on my own bed because of this little muppet.
But yeah, the room, it's a large room.
It's spacious enough.
I think it's spacious.
It's different for us. We've never done this, I'll be truthful.
No.
This is new to us, this style of room, and what I mean by that is we never share with Nicole.
No.
We always have like an apartment or 2-bedroom.
It's because of a snake.
Oh yeah. But not even room wise, you always have your own space, don't you?
Your own space.
But don't you worry, you're on that side of bed, I'll be there smiling away at morning, waking you up. Look at his face. I'll sing to you, don't worry. But no, we're really happy with room, aren't we?
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm just trying to make sure I've not missed anything. But oh, that's light bright.
I don't know why you need that for as well as all the other lights.
Was there anything on telly, like, as in, does it tell you anything? Oh, it tells you the park days, doesn't it? Opening. So yeah, but that's the room tour for here, isn't it? We're gonna now go to the car and get.
We've not even got a case.
We've not even got a case.
And it's now 20 to 8.
Let's go and get the cases and shall we go swimming or something?
I'm gonna have to do something. I'm too hot.
Too hot. Right, we'll catch up with you.
Bye.
Bye. So I just wanted to show you our window that we've done. All ready for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. I just wanted to mention to you that we are in building number 3, which is in the 50s area. We are close to the main hall. We're close to the main pool, which is the Petals pool. So it was a really good location.